Oh my goodness, you guys, I am actually very stunned. For today's video, we're gonna go ahead and try out some new foundations. Now you guys all know I'm very bougie, I'm very that girl, but today we're gonna go ahead and play with some drugstore makeup. And I'm not even gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but I'm actually gagging. I think I'm gonna try in some Maybelline. Did I say Maybelline? Girl! Get ready because it's about to be foundationized today. Alright, so my skin is fully naked, and when I say naked, I'm talking about like I have nothing, not even moisturizer. Okay, joking, I have a little bit of like setting spray on me just because, you know, I love setting spray. Maybelline sent over a lot of foundations. Now, I'm super excited about this because I've just never really got to dive into it. In my office, you guys, I have the newest full coverage Maybelline foundation. This is the Dream Urban Cover Foundation. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and build my face fully into drag with Maybelline. I've dealt with a lot of foundation where they cost like $60 a bottle and it does nothing for me. So today I'm super excited to dive into the Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and compare some of their other foundations. I kind of want to know what else they have on the shelf. I kind of want to know what kind of like ingredients are in them, what they do, what they look like. I mean, there's one in this office right now that I'm talking about specifically that's kind of like weird. It's kind of like Mousse. I've never tried Mousse foundation before. So today we're gonna go ahead and compare and play, and honestly just to celebrate Maybelline because I know they've been around for a long time. And you guys, this is the first time I'm ever using drugstore makeup on my channel. So I want you guys to let me know what you guys think. I want to know if you guys have even tried this foundation or tried them before. I would love to know. I would love to explore. So I'm so stoked today. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the foundations they sent me. Now this is a part of the Dream franchise. This is the Dream team. This is the Dream group. When they say Dream, they break it down to different foundations, which I kind of actually find pretty awesome. So we're gonna start with the BBs first. So the first one I have in the office is the Dream BB Pure. The Dream BB Pure is an 8-in-1 beauty balm. It's a skin clearing perfector with salicylic acid and acne treatment, which I'm actually very excited about. As you guys can see here, I do have acne scars. I've always grown up as a kid with acne. I've always been very insecure with them. So that's why I stay a lot with full coverage. I do love foundations that cover because I want to cover it. This is a 130 medium to deep sheer tint that covers and also takes care of the acne. So that's actually pretty awesome. Why not kill two birds with one stone, right? So this is the BB Pure. The second one I have in the studio is the Dream Fresh BB. This is an 8-in-1 beauty balm skin perfector. It has titanium dioxide sunscreen with an SPF of 30. So this is pretty awesome if you guys are out in the sun all the time, or you just really want to protect your skin from like age spots. And just, I mean, everyone should be doing that. This is a great one to have. It is a medium to sheer tint. They're like brother and sisters where like they kind of mix like skincare and foundation together. So these are pretty awesome. I'm actually very excited to use this. Now, the thing about the BBs, you guys, is I like to put the BBs in the family where if you like to do sports, if you have children, you have no time, if you're on the go, this is like your like fast. I don't need to do anything makeup where it's easy to wear. You can even put on your hands and rub it on your face. Like I love BB creams because it's just easy to use. There's not really much steps to them. BBs, love you guys. Everyone needs a BB, you guys. Everyone needs. I mean, I don't even think anyone can put on like an hour face every day when they have children, doing sports, working out, and making dinner. Not me. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the liquid foundations. Now this is the Dream Satin Foundation. There is some nice shine to it. You're gonna get like this nice, almost, you know, when people say satin, I don't want people to get scared of satin because when people hear the word satin, I think people get freaked out that they're gonna look very shiny. I think of it almost like a velvet shine where like the shine is purposely supposed to be there versus like, oh my god, I've been literally running all day and my skin is oily, I need to touch up, I need a blot powder. No, and it's also a hydrating foundation. So if you are oily and you put something hydrating, you could kind of extend the shine a little bit. But I mean, this is a purpose shine, so you guys don't get scared of this, you guys. Think of it as velvet shine. All right, you guys, so the next one is the one that I was kind of like, what is this? I don't even know what this is. I'm totally scared. It is the Dream Matte Mousse. This is a medium coverage. At first when I saw this, I thought it was like lip gloss in a nude. I was like, oh girl, lip gloss in a nude. Hey, work, I love it. But this is actually foundation. When I think if I want to put like mousse on my face with color, I'm thinking of almost like very velvet, very soft, very natural. It doesn't really seem hard to play with, especially going back to mousse for hair. It's really easy. It's almost like a foam. And I'm sure it's gonna sit very well on the skin. The only thing I don't know is, am I gonna have to set it? So we're gonna find it out on my channel, you guys, if I'm gonna have to set it. But girl, this is the Dream Matte Mousse. So you guys heard it, matte. This is gonna give me a matte finish. It's gonna give me very, very soft, very, very glazed, very, very just perfect matte skin. I can probably wear this every day and I love to look matte. Now we're gonna go ahead and move into the newest foundation to the Dream family. This is the Dream Urban Cover. Now the Dream Urban Cover, it is a full coverage protective makeup sunscreen. So you guys get an SPF of 50, which is a lot. Like, that is actually a lot. Being me, like, I love the tan, I love to get dark, but when it comes to my face, I do like my face a little lighter than my body, just cause it gives me the really like wide range to bronze, to contour. Anything full coverage I love because it does cover everything. So I'm very, very excited to try this. Are you guys ready to play with some like color? I don't know my color at all, which is okay because honey, anyone knows, everyone knows, when it comes to foundations, I can match myself, girl. Let's go ahead and try on 2 different BBs. So on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the BB Pure. And then on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the BB Dream Fresh. When it comes to BB creams, they are very, very light. So you probably don't have the right color for your skin, but it works. That's why it's so sheer that it kind of really works in its own way. This one, it smells like sunscreen. It smells like sunscreen. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my skin just to make sure it's the right color. Oh wow, okay, that is definitely the right color. So let's go ahead and foundation match the BB Cream Fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. Come on, foundation mixing with Kimora. So let's go ahead and apply. So first we're gonna go ahead and do the BB Pure. I'm just gonna do a little like this. Wow, okay, so you guys, I'm going. It smells really nice, and I love the layer. Okay, so you guys, just looking up close, as you guys can see here, this is the first layer, and remember, this is a BB cream, so honestly, like, from what it's supposed to do, I do love it. I can tell, like, it's giving me enough coverage for a BB cream. I can still see some of my acne scars. Remember, when I'm using BB creams, I'm not really trying to cover, I'm just trying to even out the skin tone. So I'm excited to try the other side, so I'm gonna dip my brush into that one. This side is the Dream Fresh BB, which I kind of like the color in this side better. I do like the color, but it's because I mixed it, you guys. Now, I know I'm a tanner, so my color shifts up and down. The texture of it is really nice. It's very light. I don't even feel what I'm wearing, to be honest, and that's actually talking about like both sides. Is this something I can wear every day? Absolutely. I think just by looking at it, I can tell like this is what BB creams are supposed to do. It's supposed to just literally even up the layer of the skin, and like I said, it's attached to skincare. What's happening is like underneath, it's literally taking care of acne. It's taking care of sunburn. It's also just making sure you can walk out the house not looking like, oh my god, she just woke up. Okay, taking that off. Next, we're gonna move on to the one that I was like, oh my god, is that lip gloss? This is the Dream Matte Mousse. This is 0.64 ounce. So these are going to be matte finish, meaning like it's gonna be super matte, super flat, super just almost, think of like no shine. So I have 3 different colors here. We're gonna go ahead and color match me. Before we do that, I'm gonna open one of them and I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like inside. Now this is the Caramel Dark 2. See, it looks so like interesting. Like that looks interesting to me. This looks like yummy mousse cake, like a coffee cake. So you guys can see here how it looks kind of different on one side versus because it's on the cap. So that means that they basically fill this up. We're gonna try this on right now because I'm gonna go ahead. I'm actually getting very, very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of these babies. I feel like something for the mousse, something firm and fluffy and just really in control is what the mousse is gonna need. Now, by just looking at these colors, you guys, I don't know the schematic. I don't know how it works. So by just looking at it, I'm gonna go ahead and just pick my color by just seeing it. Now, I know sometimes you guys are probably like, that's like the wrong way to do it. I mean, honestly, if I can find my color by the bottle, my life is easy. I just wanna look at the product and know that, you know what, that's my color and I'm gonna pick it. I think this is my color. It's a natural beige. Let's just go ahead and put it on. Oh, it's just like mousse. Oh wow. Now I know the color is off. Wait. I'm gonna press into the skin with the blender. Wow. Okay, so the coverage is super covered. And honestly, it's matte. Now, because I tan, so I'm gonna raise this color just a little bit. I'm actually very curious on the darker shade to mix it. I'm literally just taking it and dipping it into the darker one. Wow. Oh my god. Okay. Hold on. I have a monitor down here. I'm looking at my monitor. Wow. Okay, so you guys, so I mixed 2 different colors. So the colors that I used, I started off with the natural beige medium, and then the second one I used was the dark caramel. By just looking at it, I was able to figure out my color right away. Okay, so you guys, I'm not too sure if this is full coverage or is it medium to full. I don't know what the coverage is, but by just honestly looking at it, I want to say it's a medium to full coverage. Like, it gives a lot of coverage, but it still looks natural at the same time. Hold on, you guys, I just want to like highlight a little bit. Let me just see a little highlight. I'm just gonna quickly highlight my cheeks. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and highlighted on top of the foundation. I have not set it. You guys have witnessed me. I did not set it. Bitch. Mamas. Okay, so I am obsessed with this foundation. It literally is not even sticky. Like, I don't even need to set it. It just goes right on. This is the Mousse. First time in the world I've ever tried Mousse. The Dream Matte Mousse. I love it. We're gonna jump right into the Dream Satin Liquid. And it's this baby right here. This is a foundation and hydrating serum. So let's go ahead and just test this on my skin. I'm gonna do it on this side. We're gonna go right into it. I'm just gonna touch a little bit on my finger. That's not bad. Okay, so this color seems pretty awesome. I do like it. So we're gonna go ahead and just tap a little bit on like this. And let's get right on. You guys, this was 2 pumps. I might think I need 1 more. I actually really love this. Look at it. Okay, so you guys, obviously this side has nothing. Ew, acne, gross. And this side is more velvet. Like, this side looks more, I want to say it's really natural coverage. Meaning, like, you could still see the texture of the skin. You could still see your face. It doesn't look like you have pounds and pounds of makeup on. But I do have coverage. So I actually just want to buff this into the skin a little bit. Let's go ahead and highlight just a tad bit, but because I want to see the difference. I can tell that there is some shine. There is a little shine happening here and here. I do like it. Now, do I want more coverage? I would love more coverage, to be honest. Because this is a satin foundation, it's probably medium coverage. So let's go ahead and highlight this right now and see what it is. I don't feel like I need to set it either. So you guys see here, this is the Dream Satin Foundation side and this is the nothing side. So you guys can tell the difference. The coverage is there. I do like this a lot. The color I feel like matches a lot. By just looking at the bottle, you guys, this is literally what it comes in. Like, this color, I was like, okay, I think that's me. Obviously, I love that. It's easy to shop for, easy to look for. The colors match. All right, you guys, boom. Brows are on. I'm about to get into drag with the new Dream Urban Cover, which is full coverage, full glam. Are you guys ready for this? So we're gonna go ahead and highlight underneath my brow. If y'all know me very, very well, that's what I start off and do first. This is the color 102 Fair Porcelain. I have a flat brush here, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean underneath this brow. Okay. It's a little sheer for my underbrow. You guys know I love to like layer a lot of concealer underneath. But the color is nice. I do like the color. But as I'm going, I can literally layer it as it dries. Just like that. And then now let's go ahead and jump into this side. So let's go and take a beauty blender. Go ahead and just kind of blend those out. Actually really pretty. I should blend it out. So now that my brows are obviously highlighted underneath, we're gonna go ahead and put the foundation on. So before we do that, we're just gonna make sure the color is mine. So the color here that I have in the Dream Urban Cover, it is the 215 Almond. I'm gonna change up the color. So the color that I previously used was the 215 Almond. I'm gonna jump to the 228 Soft Tan. Tan kind of sold me a little bit because, girl, obviously I'm tan, bitch. Okay, so I found another one. So this is the 310 Sun Beige. Ah! I need help with these colors! Okay. Oh my god, so I might have more than one color that works. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the Sun Beige. I kind of like, yes. This looks better. It looks more like, and now we're gonna go on with the Sun Beige. Here we go. So I have the foundation on with the brush. Now, obviously, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go back and blend. So I'm gonna take a beauty blender. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it in, just like that. The coverage, you guys, is pretty good. Like, I'm actually seeing a lot of coverage. And it's not as thick as my usual foundation, which I actually don't mind. Okay, so let's just go ahead and blend out the forehead. I am gonna go ahead and set this today because it is full coverage, so I kind of want it to stay where it's supposed to stay. But now let's go ahead and highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick the Fair Porcelain, and this is what I'm gonna do kind of on the cheeks, on the forehead, so I can really, like, honestly, like, when you guys are getting this, you guys can get like 3 different colors, contour, highlight, and everything with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and pack that into the skin with the blender. All right, you guys, so now I'm highlighted. So we're gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks a little bit. This is color Cafe LA. So we're gonna take the beauty blender and we're gonna just tap a little bit, like right here. Okay, you guys, So we are fully contoured, fully pressed, fully highlighted. Everything is on. So if you guys are in love with this foundation as much as I am, you guys can get this at a Walmart for $10.98. Full coverage, also a 50 SPF. Hello? Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this just because it is full coverage, so you kind of want to really make sure it stays where it is. And honestly, just looking at the texture right now, I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a normal translucent powder. This, I mean, you can use any brand you guys want, just a translucent, make sure, because I really want to keep the color that I have. Alright, you guys, foundation is on. I'm bronze. I'm starting to finish contouring my eyes, contour my nose. I'm gonna get some color on and get into full drag and show you guys the full effect right now. Alright, you guys, the final look is on and I'm feeling like a motorcycle Barbie fish. I'm so excited. You guys, I'm already obsessed with this foundation. I could tell it's more on the natural side, but it still covers amazing. I don't see any of my blemishes. It's definitely a smoother, I want to say velvet finish. I literally love it. I mean, all I really did is just bronze that a little bit. I kind of gave myself some eyeshadow. I gave myself a little highlight and a nude lip, to be honest. My favorite thing about it is that it's so lightweight where like you don't really feel it, in which it kind of like freaks me out a little bit because I'm so used to feeling so much foundation on my skin. But I do love that I don't feel it, which is kind of weird. Girl, what do you guys think? Take a picture. All right, you guys, I had so much fun trying on Maybelline with you guys. I hope you guys got a lot of education from the different foundations from the Maybelline Dream family. I'm so excited that I'm able to play with some drugstore makeup on my channel. I'm actually very obsessed. And it was like very surprising because you guys know I'm very bougie and I'm very that bitch where like I only stick to one thing and one thing only. So shout out to Maybelline for having me try out some new things. Also, in the meantime, hit that subscribe button because I do have videos out every single week and I love to spend time with you guys. I will see you guys in a few days.